In primetime news this evening, tension and gloom in two parishes after 5-year-old is murdered in St. James.
Still no justice. Family of street vendor killed in 2020 begs for help with the case.
And parent-teacher brawl at St. Anne Primary School. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janelle. Now, Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago are in closer business relations. That's why a trade mission led by the TT Trade Minister is here. Find out more about that visit later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. Jordan, football, more football. What's in sport?
Football, more football, Herman. But in the midst of the World Cup in Qatar, a bombshell from the West Indies white ball captain. I'll tell you the details in a Primetime Sports Monday.
I had to think twice when I heard the word bomb, but anyway, I can't wait to hear that story. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you think enough is being done to protect teachers at school? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.